Jinan Hongniu Alibaba's 4-star old store and Shandong Hongniu Alibaba's 5-star store. Online orders can enjoy professional factory inspection services. CE, FDA, ISO certification, and authoritative factory inspection reports are complete. Hongniu Laser has established a comprehensive pre-sales and sales and after-sales service system. We provide free sampling and free calculation of working hours services. Hongniu Laser provides you with professional after-sales service. Online 24 hours a day, from Monday to Friday, and from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. on weekends. Separation of domestic and foreign technical teams, with an international technical team of over 10 people. North America, the Middle East, Europe, and South Korea have long-term technical personnel stationed abroad, have a professional offline factory training process and mechanism, and provide offline teaching, have professional video guidance and unloading instructions for equipment installation, maintenance, and replacement of parts. We have gained recognition and support from customers in multiple countries and regions worldwide. Australian customers, Lebanese customers, Saudi Arabia customers, Belgian customers, Russian customers, American customers, Serbian customers, Slovak customers. Hongniu Laser, intelligent creation. In order to meet the different requirements of customers for products, we also accept OEM and ODM orders. We look forward to long-term cooperation with you.